Hey, this is Jonica. Welcome to my kitchen. I am making a coconut lime icebox cake. This is so simple to make and it's absolutely delicious. I've got my large cool and serve, and I've got a layer of graham crackers on the bottom, and I've got some 2 limes I've zested right here, and I'm gonna juice them also and put them right in this bowl. Did you know if you roll your limes on the counter first, just roll them, you'll get a lot more juice out of them. I'm adding the cream cheese, softened cream cheese. Calls for a cup of sugar. I'm only using 2/3. I almost always use a little less sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. There you go. I've got 2 cups of heavy cream. I've just put it on the whip setting. Let it rip. The deluxe stand mixer knew how long to mix. How cool is that? I could clean up and do my dishes while my mixer was doing its job. All ready to go. 3 drops of food coloring, just because tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. I hope no one thinks it's mint and is surprised to find out it's not mint, it's lime. Have it in a large rectangle cool and serve. I'm doing this the night before, so I'll show you in the morning. Hopefully I'll try to remember. Now I layer a 1-second layer of graham crackers. The rest is going to go right on top. I think the top layer is a little bit thicker because I was afraid of using too much on the bottom layer. Best part is licking the scraper when you're done. Oh, the lighting's not the best. And I've got some toasted coconut, and I put a little bit of lime zest on top, though the recipe didn't call for it, just so maybe folks would see that, ooh, it's lime and not mint. And here is one of my inserts. So I have 2 of these that are gonna go in the bottom of my cool and serve in the morning. And these will keep it nice and cold for 2 to 4 hours.